Sorry, I'm done something wrong, so please wait a moment, 2 minutes. Okay. Sorry for your inconvenience. It's my technical problems. I'm just accidentally delete the live stream. I have to share it again. Sorry. Okay. So I'm sorry for late a little bit because of my of the technical problems that occurred. Okay. Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Learn Thai with Victor. Lesson 5 now. Actually, lesson 5.1 I have separated in two parts because this one today we're gonna learn about the Thai classifier. First, first one it will become about 20 common classifier that you will gonna see in Thailand when you ever get an experience with Thai people. You will see that it is very important to use the Thai classifier because when you want to counting something in the quantities, the classifier in Thai is very important. Welcome everyone, every viewers here, every of my students. This is a Learn Thai with Victor, lesson 5 now. Please comment anything that you'd like to know. Also, that uh, please say greetings. Have any interaction with me, Victor, that I will know that you are here and have fun when we have learned Thai together. Okay. So about the classifier. So if you want to counting something, you have to use this pattern. First is subject, and then number, and the classifier. Sorry. Yes, because when you want to counting something, it is different from English. In English, you don't have to say it much. If you want to say something, just say it. For example, when you like to say that I have one car and that's it, you say the noun of that things, that items, that is the car, right? But in Thai, it's different. When you want to say something in number, you have to say it kan, and the kan is a classifier of the word car or rot. Rot is the word car in Thai. Okay. So this is what we're gonna learn today about 20 classifiers, the most common classifiers that you will see and approach about this. Okay, so let's get started. I will sharing screen. Enter the screen. And welcome anyone that come here. This is the Learn Thai with Victor, Lesson 5, Thai Classifier. Please comment anything that you like to have interaction with us, with me, sorry. Okay, so here we are, Lesson 5.1, the Thai Classifier. Okay, we will learn about the things that we can use when you want to use the word to count something, okay, to counting or to countify something. So the simple sentence structure of the Thai classifier here is subject plus the number and the classifier. So I have the vocabularies that in our previous class we have done it. We have about the fruit category. Okay, I will give the one example. It is กล้วย okay, กล้วย can you say it with me? The word กล้วย is banana, okay, banana. So the subject here, if I put the word banana here plus number, for example 2 bananas, okay, กล้วย 2, okay, and the classifier, the common classifier for fruit is ลูก or ผล. In this way I will put the word ลูก here, okay, กล้วย 2 ลูก กล้วย 2 ลูก. See, subject is the word banana, กล้วย the number is 2 or 2 and the classifier is ลูก. Okay, so in summary, the classifier follow quantity and the quantity follow nouns. Okay, hello everyone that come here. You can have any comment, any question that you can say and have the interaction with us together. That what who is come here now already, and we can have the interaction, greetings together. Okay, so here is the most common classifier in Thai that you should know. Start from the first one is an. Okay, an is the classifier for the many objects. For example, the dice is ลูกเต๋า in Thai is ลูกเต๋า, the pillars, or and canes, anything that in common that you can see in daily life. Okay, so the fact of this one is you can use anything that you don't know which one is that, which is that the name of the classifier of that word. So you can put the word an. Okay, you can use the word an in common for any of the word that you don't know about the classifier. Next one is คน คน and you say with me คน the classifier for people, for the both male and female, any kind of people, which that is not matter that which of the nationality that you came from, you can use the word คน for this one also. For example, คนหนึ่งคน one person, two people, คนสองคน เขามาสองคน they come two people, เขามาสองคน something like that. Okay, for the next one is ตัว here ตัว is a classifier for animals, the letters, numbers ตัวเลข numbers ตัวเลข the clothing that doesn't come in pairs. If it is in pairs, you can say คู่ for example รองเท้าหนึ่งคู่ one pairs of shoes. okay, something like that. For the chairs, the tables, if it is in one set, in pairs, โต๊ะสองตัว okay, it is not indifferent, it's different from the word pairs. Here is the thing, if I said มีโต๊ะสองตัวมีโต๊ะสองตัว that is there are two tables, there are two tables, like in our previously listened that we have learned before about there is and there are, that if we want it change to become countable noun or uncountable noun, plural and singular noun, it has to use add more word. It is not like in English that it's changeable, okay, you have to use add more word. So like this one also, if I said it is there are, if it is there are, you have to put more word like that also. So for the next one is แก้ว แก้ว this is the classifier of glasses. When you go to order the food, ordering the drinks or the food at the restaurant, you can use this word when you order to the waiter or waitress. ขอน้ำเปล่าหนึ่งแก้ว Can I have one one cup or one glass of water, please? Yeah, something like that. And for the next one is also the same. It is called จาน that means the plate, okay, the plate. And this word is the classifier. When you say with the something is when you order the food at the restaurant in one dish, okay. For example, here, if you like to eat the food they call กระเพรากระเพรา is the one of the main dish, the real main dish in Thailand. It is we have to say we have the food that is called กระเพราไก่ไข่ดาวกระเพราไก่ไข่ดาว What is that? It is the chicken with basil and fried egg, okay, and it's a very famous one that we have eat in common in Thailand. So you can order like this. ขอกระเพราหนึ่งจานขอกระเพราหนึ่งจาน For the thing that come in plate, okay, not the thing that come in one bowl. Yeah, it is have other classifier that when you want to eat a noodle, you can say by this classifier. ขอก๋วยเตี๋ยวก๋วยเตี๋ยว is a noodle. หนึ่งชามชาม is a classifier for the word a bowl, okay, a bowl, that for the thing that come in the bowl, the food that come in the bowl. For example, the noodle, okay. Next one is the word คัน This one is a classifier for the word cars and vehicles, except it is have exception for the word boats and planes, okay. So when you have the car, the two car, like I've said before, ผมมีรถสองคัน I have two cars. มีรถบัสตรงนี้สองคัน There are two buses here. There are two buses here. Something like that. Yeah. So this word is as kan as the classifier of the vehicle and cars. Okay. Okay, and what about the next one? This one is tang. Tang. Can you say it together with me? Tang. Okay. The classifier of this one is about the thing that looks like the bars, okay, and cylindrical. So it is look like this, the thing, but it is not about the bottle, okay. It should be like the pencil or the pen. That will be used this classifier, okay. So for example, the objects like pencils, of course, pencils in Thai is ดินสอ ดินสอ okay. For example here, if I want to say there is pencil, there is pencil, มีดินสอ there is 4 pencil. What is that? It is me, like a there is and there are that we have learned before. There is, there are มีดินสอ pencil, มีดินสอ 4 แท่ง right? มีดินสอ 4 แท่ง okay. For the next one is เครื่อง 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 is a classifier for machines. You have to remember that the things for the machines, then the thing that use the electricity. Everything that use like the computers, phones is โทรศัพท์ but the classifier is เครื่อง also the word computer is computer, also the accent in Thai accent, okay. So the word เครื่อง is for the machine, but it's not for the car. As we have learned, what is that? It is คัน รถ 3 คัน 3 cars, รถ that is the subject. And what about next is number 3, 3, and คัน is the classifier of the car, okay, the vehicles. So the example here for the computers, let's create the sentence together, okay. First is subject, computer, 3 เครื่อง computer, 3 เครื่อง There are 3 computers, 3 computers. Computer, that is the subject, 3, that is the 3, and the classifier is เครื่อง like we have in this live streaming that I have saw, that is have a 3 viewers here. คนดู 3 คน คนดู that's viewers. Now it's have 2 viewers, okay. คนดู 2 คน something like that. So the classifier for the people is คน okay. Next one here is ใบ ใบ the classifier for the piece of paper or the document, okay, the documents. So we can use this word for any document, the leaf of paper that we have see. For example, เอกสาร 2 ใบ but the interesting thing is the formal ways to say about the documents. The documents in specific is มีเอกสาร the document is เอกสาร documents, 3 documents, เอกสาร 3 ฉบับ ฉบับ is a classifier in the formal ways, okay. The formal ways of the document is ฉบับ. So now we have learned only 20 classifiers that is basic or most in common that we have seen in our daily life, but specifically it has many things in Thai, but not to concern much. Next one is ชุด ชุด sorry. Here, oh, มีคนดู 6 คน we have 6 viewers here. There are 6 viewers here. Hello everyone. This is Learn Thai with Victor. Okay, the Thai classifier. Please comment below anything, any question that you like, and any interaction that will make us to have a conversation together. Okay, so let's continue this lesson. So about this one, the word should. What about this one? It is the classifier for a set or a group of something that is about uniforms. Okay, uniforms. The thing, the clothing, especially clothing that use this one should. Okay, should. If you have two dresses, you can say มีกระโปรง2 ชุด มีกระโปรง2 ชุด and what about if you say the uniform about in informal about the suit, okay, how about the suit มีสูท2 ชุด yeah, there are 2 suits, there are 2 suits มีสูท2 ชุด. The next one is pen. Okay, pen. This one is the classifier for the thin or the flat objects. So maybe some of you here has the question that it is can be possible to use with the paper. Yes, it is. You can use like that also. พวกเรามีกระดาษ10 แผ่นพวกเรามีกระดาษ10 แผ่น We have 10 pieces of paper. We have 10 pieces of paper. Okay, มีกระดาษ10 แผ่นกระดาษ is the subject here. 10 is the number 10 and pen is a classifier for the thin or the flat objects. Okay. So about the next one is met. Met, like the word met in English. The classifier here for the thing is very small, like the word seeds, pills, medicine, and the buttons. Okay. For example, here, let's pronounce it together in this sentence. Buttons, กระดุม กระดุม Okay. กระดุม10 เม็ดกระดุม10 เม็ด Okay, 10 buttons 10 buttons กระดุม10 เม็ด Okay, ผมต้องกินยา6 เม็ดผมต้องกินยา6 เม็ดผม is the word for I am. ต้อง is must. ผมต้องกิน is the verb for to eat. ผมต้องกินยายา is a pills or drugs or medicine, especially medicine. ผมต้องกินยา6 เม็ด number 6. Met is the classifier of the object that's very small, like pills, seeds, and buttons. Okay. Okay, so this is the last part of this lesson for today. Chin is a classifier for pieces, like the cake, the pieces of cake. But in English, piece can use in many of the word. But the classifier in Thai is very strict, and it is used specifically for the specific word. Lang is a classifier for a house. มีบ้าน I have มีบ้าน20 หลัง Oh, I'm very rich. มีบ้าน20 หลัง I have 20 houses. มีบ้าน บ้าน is a house. 20 is 20 and หลัง is a classifier for this one. Next one is sen, classifier for strings and noodles. Okay. มีเชือกเชือก is the strings okay the strings มีเชือก10เส้นมีเชือก10เส้น I have or there are 10 strings มีเชือก10เส้น okay about next one is ลูก here is the what we have learned before about the classifier of the fruit it has the two kind of the classifier that we have learned already is ลูก and ผล okay classifier for the balls fruits and other small object that is the round one okay is have a round objects use this one มีแตงโม watermelon แตงโมมีแตงโม5ลูก I have or there are 5 watermelons there are 5 watermelons next one is ขวด the classifier for bottles ขวด classifier for bottles ขวดมีขวด3ขวดมีขวด3ขวด there are 3 bottles there are 3 bottles next one is word ห้องห้อง the classifier for rooms มีห้องน้ำห้องน้ำ is the toilet มีห้องน้ำ there are มีห้องน้ำ2ห้องมีห้องนอน2ห้อง or if you come in Thailand and see about the sign of the rental if you will write down like this มี2ห้องนอน2ห้องน้ำ okay it is not use the specific classifier or technically correct in grammar but it is get used to know for the Thai people that is mean 2 toilets ห้องน้ำ2ห้อง 2 bedrooms ห้องนอน2ห้อง okay and the last one here for today is มื้อ it is a classifier for meals for example กินข้าว3มื้อ eat 3 meals eat 3 meals คุณควรกินข้าว3มื้อ you should eat 3 meals you should eat 3 meals okay so yeah I'm glad that have people around คนดู7คน at the end of the live stream but anyway I will assume in the lesson 5.2 that how to use the Thai classifier when that you have to use it okay it's our next lesson next Friday at the same time 7:30 p.m. Bangkok time have a nice day and remember practice is the key to be success thank you ขอบคุณครับ